Hello guys, my name is Jigar Parekh and I'm the CET 20 99.99 percentile. So guys, today is a big day for all of us, me and you guys, all of you. First of all, I would love to tell you that I have loved the overall response that I've gotten even for the CET 22 batch. And it really keeps me going for the kind of comments and the videos that I have gotten from students, like review videos with students similar, and I've really loved them. So now coming to the whole thing, the placement report for JBIMS Hamara Wala senior batch, that is the 1921 batch, is finally out. I can't tell you how many times I have been asked by students on calls, on messages, on WhatsApp, on my Instagram, on Crack Evitus Instagram, on LinkedIn, everywhere that you can imagine. Also my YouTube comments. So many people have asked me, "Ki, sir, placement report kab aayega?" I understand that this is probably one of the most important things for getting into any college. So I won't waste your time. I'll directly dive into it. So guys, this is the placement report. आज ही release हुआ है. In fact, just a few hours ago. So I'll show you how to read a placement report. Most students, वो लोग क्या करते हैं? They just look at this part and they select the college accordingly, and then they're disappointed when they get to the college. This is not what I wanted. I wanted to go into the finance company. मुझे बैंक में जाना था, पर मुझे finance वाला job चाहिए था. मुझे marketing नहीं करना था. I'll tell you how to read a placement report and how to get the most out of it. How to select your colleges based on the placement reports. Okay, I understand that looking at these things is very important. तुम ये चीजें देखोगे. That is obvious. कोई भी देखेगा ये. But you know what you should also be looking at is the key recruiters. A college's reputation is what pulls the key recruiters towards it. And in that also, समझो अगर तुम्हें बजाज, if you have two colleges, one is JBMS and sorry, chalo, let's say one is X college and one is Y college. If both of these colleges have Bajaj Finance as a recruiter in their placement report and दोनों में packages अच्छे अच्छे मिलते हैं, which one should you select? अगर if you want to do a finance job and if you want to get into Bajaj Finance, then it will be preferable that you actually look at the placement report, go to LinkedIn, see the people who have actually gotten into Bajaj Finance from that college, एंड तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि वो कॉलेज में मार्केटिंग का रोल मिलता है या फाइनेंस का. क्योंकि अगर तुम वाई कॉलेज में गए एंड वहां पे बजाज फाइनेंस में मार्केटिंग का रोल देना है, सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ लॉस फॉर यू ना, बिकॉज तुम बजाज फाइनेंस पहुंच जाओगे पर गलत प्रोफाइल में, या फिर तुम्हें फाइनेंस की कोई दूसरी कंपनी लेनी पड़ेगी. So that is why looking at the key recruiters is of prime importance. You must understand, and I'll tell you how do you actually search कि कौन सी कॉलेज में कौन सी कंपनी कौन सा रोल दे रही है. समझो अगर Amazon है, तो what I'll do is that मैं LinkedIn पे जाके I will just search JBIMS space Amazon. You will immediately get कि वो बैच recent बैच में कौन Amazon में प्लेस हुआ है JBIMS का. इमीडिएटली तुम्हें पहले या दूसरे या तीसरे पर्सन में तुम्हें मिल जाएगा. तो दैट विल गिव यू एन आइडिया, एंड तुम जब उसकी प्रोफाइल खोलोगे तुम्हें इमीडिएटली उधर उसका जॉब रोल दिख जाएगा कि फाइनेंस फाइनेंस कंसल्टिंग और बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग, ऐसा कुछ भी तुम्हें जो भी उधर का जॉब रोल मिला है यू विल गेट दैट. तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि ये कॉलेज से ये कंपनी ये रोल के लिए उठाती है स्टूडेंट्स. दैट इज हाउ यू एनालाइज एनी प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट. ऑल्सो ऑलवेज लुक एट एवरी नंबर इन द प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट विथ अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट. इसका मतलब थोड़ी शक की नजर से देखो. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि हर कॉलेज करती है, बट देयर आर अ फ्यू कॉलेजेस व्हिच काइंड ऑफ प्ले अराउंड. नॉट दे डोंट गिव फेक नंबर्स, पर वो लोग नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट अलग तरीके से करते हैं. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल. टॉक टू द पीपल हु आर द alumni. You can talk to me, you can talk to other people from JBIMS, you can talk to other people from different colleges to understand कि तुम्हारे प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट में क्या सच क्या गलत कितना क्या है. ओके, सो ये सारी कॉलेजेस ये सारी कंपनीज है. एंड नाउ लेट्स जस्ट नॉट लुक एट द प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट इन आइसोलेशन. लेट्स लुक एट इट एज कंपेयर टू द लास्ट ईयर का प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट. ऑब्वियसली लास्ट ईयर जो था, दोस हमारे सुपर सीनियर्स, दे वर नॉट अफेक्टेड दैट मच बाय कोविड एज मच एज आवर सीनियर्स. हमारे सीनियर्स के बैच में बहुत, मतलब ऑब्वियसली उनका बैच बीच में से ऑनलाइन हो गया. वो टाइम पे कंपनीज की हालत खराब थी, सो रिक्रूटमेंट्स ओवरऑल काफी डाउन थे. So you must understand there were a lot of issues, but it was only the very, very, very good placement committee के efforts that brought in really, really good companies. So if you see, there are a lot of repeating companies also. The prime ones that I'll tell you that you should be looking at are Accenture. Normally हमेशा यहाँ पे बहुत सारी तुम्हें बैंक्स दिखेंगी. तो वो सब कॉलेज, वो सब तुम कंपनीज देखो कौन सी कंपनीज तुम्हारे काम की है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ बैंक्स व्हिच ऑलमोस्ट ऑलवेज कम टू जेबी. जेबी इज नोन कि हर बार उसमें बैंक से रिक्रूटमेंट होता ही है. फाइनेंस के लिए बहुत सारे रोल्स आते हैं, मार्केटिंग के लिए बहुत सारे रोल्स आते हैं. ऑल्सो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट जेबी, आई नो जेबी इज नोन एज द फाइनेंस कैपिटल, मतलब फाइनेंस करना है तो जेबी में जाओ, फाइनेंस के लिए बेस्ट कॉलेज है. I would say, okay, that's not false. That is true. JB में finance के we have amazing professionals who teach us finance. We have professors like Balakrishna Parab, we have professors like Mr. Mankekar, we have professionals like Sandeep Gokhale, people who are at the top of their professional careers right now. So these are the people who teach us finance. So obviously JB में finance बहुत अच्छा है. But you know about marketing? Just try to Google Jagdeep Kapoor or Nitin Ghadiyar. You will find that the marketing professors that JBIMS has are literally one of the best marketers in, like literally few of the best marketers in the entire country. The recruiters, the clients, they range like international clients and national clients, and big multinationals, they consult with them for marketing. So no matter what you do, which specialization that you opt for operations, there is Mr. Muradian, who is called the god of operations in Asia. So that title by itself is enough to tell you that the kind of professors, the kind of power faculty that we have at JBMS is really good. Also, that is a big factor in bringing in the companies. So if you see, बहुत सारी companies repeat हुई है. If you see, even Wipro is one of the very big names. Wipro is actually one of the companies that I would love to get into this. PNG, HUL भी है. So you have a lot of companies which are repeating, but there are also a lot of new companies. BCG is one of my favorite new companies that has come in. So understand that जो भी कंपनी में तुम्हें जाना है, जो काइंड का रोल तुम्हें चाहिए, उस हिसाब से कॉलेजेस को रैंक करो, उस हिसाब से कॉलेजेस में अप्लाई करो एंड उस हिसाब से एग्जाम्स दो. आई विल आल्सो मेक अ वीडियो कि कौन सी एग्जाम्स देनी चाहिए, कैसे अप्रोच होना चाहिए हर एग्जाम के लिए. ओके, नाउ वी कम बैक टू द फेवरेट पार्ट, सबका फेवरेट, द नंबर्स. कैसे प्लेसमेंट के पैकेजेस, पैसा कितना चेंज हुआ है. सो इफ यू सी, देयर इज अ ह्यूज जंप इन द हाईएस्ट सीटीसी. 10 लाख का जंप हाईएस्ट सीटीसी में is absolutely crazy. But if you look at it in terms of percentage, it's even more. It's almost about a percentage of 30% का increase हुआ है guys. 30% increase in the highest package is amazing. That just shows and that too during a year which was problematic. So that just shows that the college's reputation really matters. Because what will the companies do? जब companies को पता चलता है कि अरे यार ये साल थोड़ा difficult है, they will go to a good college, get good professionals who can work for them. And that is where the college's reputation really comes into play. Reputation and the amazing base that JBMS has built for itself in terms of the alumni that we have. We have great alumni. You can just search JBMS alumni Google पे, बहुत सारे बहुत amazing alumni आएंगे. So the highest CTC has changed. Obviously, the year was difficult. So the top 10% and the top 30%, they are a tad bit low than the last year. But still, if you understand, median or mean, दोनों ऊपर है. Median and mean both have gone up, and that too by respectable numbers, 23.16 and 22.28, and that too for a fees that is probably 1/4 of the best colleges, the colleges at the same level. So अगर 6 लाख की फीस में, if you are an open category student तो 6 लाख, if you are a reserved category student or from the EWS category तो और कम हो जाता है. So if you see 6 लाख की फीस में, if you are getting an average package of 23.16 lakhs, your return on investment ROI is absolutely amazing. तुम लोग लिटरली पहले 3 महीने में अपनी फीस कवर कर लोगे. पहला 3 महीना भी नहीं, समर प्लेसमेंट्स में तुम कितना कमा लेते हो. So in the probably first 1.5 or 2 months of your job, you will cover the entire fees that you have paid to JBMS. बाकी का सब कुछ तुम्हारे लिए profit है. That does not happen with any other college apart from FMS. So understand that this is a very important thing to look at. Always select colleges based on not just the numbers, not just the packages, not just the recruiters that come to them, but also look at ROI. It's a very important factor because in India, loan rates are high. तुम्हें लाइफ के 4-5 साल लोन में नहीं बिताने ना. So that is why JBMS is a good option. So these are the numbers that you should be looking at. Obviously बैच की सारी डिटेल्स तुम्हें यहीं पे मिल जाएगी. How the batch has changed, which are the biggest sector wise recruiters which come to the college. Last year ये थे, तो ये बार भी तुम्हें biggest recruiters का sector wise split तुम्हें यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. Consulting are the most coveted jobs. If 1/5 of the batch is in consulting, that is 20%. That's a really big thing for any batch. Also, you must understand it's really lucky if you get into JBIMS because पूरी batch की strength कितनी है? 150. You will see the best of best colleges have a batch strength of 400 to even ranging up to 700. तो 400 से 700 लोगों को अगर तुम्हें सेम पैकेज के साथ तुम्हें प्लेस करना है, एवरेज पैकेज 25 लाख है. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड जेबीआईएमएस का एवरेज पैकेज 23 लाख एंड बाकी किसी कॉलेज का एवरेज पैकेज 25 लाख. हाउ डज इट मेक अ डिफरेंस? देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. If a batch is that big, if there are colleges which have top packages as 60 lakhs 70 lakhs and उनका एवरेज पैकेज स्टिल 25 लाख, तो समझो एवरेजेस के रूल्स के हिसाब से जितने लोग ऊपर है उतने ही लोग नीचे होंगे तो ही एवरेज 25 लाख हो जाएगा. So that means there are colleges which show very good average packages and very good top packages, but nobody will release the lowest package. At JBIMS on the other hand, overall batch strength कम है, तो जितना ऊपर है उतना नीचे है. So if you understand, 23 से 44 is not that much big, not that big of difference. And top 10 and top 30% के packages देखो, they are not that far away. That means even below the average, the numbers are not very far away. Even a student which gets out with a mediocre package, a below average package, is still getting it out at a very good package, considering that दूसरी सारी कॉलेजेस में काफी नीचे वाले पैकेजेस में भी स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं. सो दीज आर थिंग्स दैट यू रियली शुड बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि कैसे तुम कोई भी चीज को एनालाइज करते हो, कैसे कोई भी प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट को एनालाइज करते हो. आई विल ऑल्सो मेक अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू analyze the placement report of other colleges also. IIMs का मैं करूंगा, I'll do NMIMS also. But this was the placement report of JBIMS. I did not want to start with other colleges के placement reports before I started with my own college, and that is why I haven't posted them right now. But I will post the videos very fast. I will make sure that you guys can get as much information as you want. And obviously, the Crack Every Test 22 course has started, and we have started with a big bang. We are having live lectures every day. We have live lectures. That is a very big deal. We don't have just recordings. We have study material that you get. We have test series that you get. The test series that we have had, we've got amazing reviews for it. And overall, we are just waiting for the result. Let's hope the result comes out. And I'll see you guys. And I just hope that 2 साल बाद ये जो 44 का पैकेज है या फिर जो 23.16 का पैकेज है, you guys are a part of this. So please make sure that you guys get into the top colleges of India. Top nahi to kuch nahi. That should be your attitude. Okay? Chalo. Bye guys. And again, as usual, I loved having you in this video. Chalo. Bye everyone.